it is Hannah with WTI here with my new shoes that I have been wearing every day. These are by JITUUE and they are super, super cute. I think they're pretty unique looking, but they're also super comfortable. So these are made of a faux suede and these are the gray, but they are so cute. I love the cutouts on the sides and around the laces. And while you don't notice them from far away, if you look up close, the little cutouts on these shoes are not circles, they are little hearts, which is just so, so adorable. I love them. I've gotten so many compliments on them, and they are so comfortable. The heel is not very tall, but it is a heel, so they look nice and a little bit dressy, but they are just as comfortable as any flats that I wear. I also love that they lace up so you can make them as tight or as loose as you want them. They match so many things. That's one thing I love about them is I can just throw them on with almost every outfit that I wear. If you are looking for some really stylish shoes, really great price point, these shoes by JITUUE are super great. I am thrilled with them. I really have been wearing them almost with every outfit, whether it's a skirt or my jeans. They are so cute. And that's my point of view.